Hey everyone, I am Bruce, and today I am going to explain to you how to use the Salesforce Service Cloud. Salesforce Service Cloud is a customer service and support platform designed to help businesses manage and improve their customer support and service operations. It provides a set of tools and features to streamline customer interactions, resolve issues efficiently, and enhance overall customer satisfaction. You can easily access it by searching salesforce.com in your web browser. Once you're here, click on Try Free Trial from your top right. For account creation, you need to add your information like name, email address, job title, company, phone number, employees, and country or region. Click on I agree to the main services agreement and continue by clicking on Start My Free Trial. Once your account is created, you will be taken to this page. Here, you need to select what brings you to Salesforce, then answer a few more questions like do any of these feel like familiar challenges? Select your relevant option to continue. Lastly, you will need to complete the verification process. An email will be sent to your account that you need to follow it to verify your account. Now, once your account is created, you will get different options on its dashboard, including accounts, home, contact, service, and more. With a Salesforce, you can easily create contact, lead, deal, and more. Also here, you will find different reports and recent records. Let us move with creating a contact. Click on Next, and then you just need to fill in the information about your contact that you want to add. You need to add a salutation, first and last name, account name, title, reports, and description. And then you will have the same details for other contacts as well. It is very easy for businesses to manage customers with the Salesforce. Once you are done adding all the information, click on Save. Make sure to add complete details about each contact. You can link contacts by report to, as we need to add a person in the section so both these contacts will be connected. Continue by adding an email address, mailing address, street, city, and complete address. As you can see, our contact has been added. From the right, you can access opportunities, cases, and files for the specific contact. In the same way, you can create, lead, and deal as well. Click on Deal option, and then click on Next. Now you just need to add details about the new opportunity. Add its name, account name, close date, amount, description, and stage. It will be added to your deal. You can always edit and update information from here. Also, you can add a probability and forecast category for your opportunity. Then add Next Step and click on Save. This will navigate through different stages on your sales forum. You can also access products to add or choose a price book. This platform provides reporting and analytics tool to track key performance indicators, measure customer satisfaction, and identify areas for improvement in service operations. Creating a lead is also very easy here. Just click on Add a Lead and you will get this page. Add all the necessary details about your lead including name, company, title, website, and description, and hit the Save button. You can easily change statuses for both your leads and form from here. Salesforce Service Cloud is suitable for businesses of all sizes and industries that want to enhance their customer service capabilities. It is part of the broader Salesforce ecosystem, which includes various cloud-based solutions for sales, marketing, and analytics, providing a comprehensive CRM platform. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, goodbye.